this tutorial, we are going to use Global Mapper to download high resolution image that we can use in any other GIS software. So after opening Global Mapper, we are going to go ahead and specify the projection we want to work with. You come to connector, you click on connector, and you come to projection, click on this drop down arrow. We have specification of projection you are good with. I will be making use of lat long, and I will click apply and OK. So there are two ways to go with this. The first method is using KMZ file, while the other method is using the online base. I'll firstly share with you on the first method, KMZ KML file. When you have that, what you do is to import your KMZ KML file, and if you're having issue to get a KMZ file, you can check on my video description. Right under my video description, I'm going to drop the link of the video I share on how to use Global Mapper to convert from DWG to KMZ. Once you have your KMZ file, what you can do is to click on open data files, and this is my KMZ file. I'll select this and click open. This is my boundary. I'll come to this icon that says connect to online data. I'll click on it. Under this select data source, I'll be making use of world imagery. I'll select world imagery and I'll click on connect. We now have the imagery on the screen. So the other method is you click on online sources and you select the data source, same data source, and you click on connect. So once you click on connect, you're going to have the world imagery, and you'll be the one to select the area of interest. Let's assume I want to download this image. I'll come to file and then I'll click on export raster image format. So we have several export formats, but I'll choose Geotiff and I'll click OK. On this interface, what is most important here is to come to this export bond. Right, so on this export bond, we have all loaded data, all data visible on screen. We have draw a box. So making use of the draw a box, this is what it implies. When you click on draw a box, it simply means that you want to draw the area. As you can see, our area of interest on the screen, so you want to select the area where you want the map to download, not exactly the whole screen, and that's what drawable simply implies. And you click OK. When you check this out, you realize it picked exactly what I drew on the screen. So another thing we can do here is, if you want it to select all the data on the screen, you just click on all data on screen. Also, we have this using lat long degrees. When you click on lat long degrees, you're going to specify the lat long degrees. And lastly, when you come to this use layer bonds, this simply means that if you want to select exactly the boundary KMZ file that was imported, you just select it here, click OK. So by the time you come to this and you check it out, you realize it's going to pinpoint the exact boundary on the screen for you, and with that you click on OK. So the next thing for you to do is to give it a name. So I'll name this as boundary Geotiff BD Geotiff, right, and I'll click on save. OK, so and you click yes, and with that you are good to go. It's going to export out the image for you.